Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide comments on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide comments on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon in a small circle. Tap on your profile picture icon and you'll land over here on the profile settings of your account, and from this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons. Tap on there. And guys, in order to hide comments on your account you'll be required to make your Instagram account private. So let's go and do that. To do that guys, scroll down from over here and where it says the account privacy, tap on that, and the toggle icon at the top right corner of your screen, tap on it, and then your account will be made private and only your followers or your personnel will be able to view your comments. And with that being done, if your account is a professional one, you will be required to make a regular one or a personal one. After that you'll be able to make your account private, and go back, scroll down again until you can find the comment section over here. Tap on the comment section, and over here guys you can see the allow comments from and the block comments from option available for us. You can tap on that and choose your requirements according to whom you want to allow your comments from, and after that you can also choose who do you want to block your commenters as your commenter, and you can go back guys. And with that being done guys, you can also filter out some comments by tapping on the hidden words. And over here if you go to this hide comments option and tap on it, you will be able to, you can see comments that contain words on your custom links and similar misspellings will be filtered out, so they are only visible to others. That means only you. To do that, manage on the custom words and phrases, enter some of your words which you want to hide by tapping over here and tap on add on it, and after that those comments will be filtered and also hidden. And you can also see the hide comments on the top of the screen where it says the Instagram will automatically move a variety of comments such as those that are potentially offensive or spam to a separate section. Anyone can see these comments and you can unhide them anytime. Also we'll make sure to turn it on. And with that being done guys, this is how we can hide comments on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.